Chapter 3, The Blood and the Benefits. Summary. This chapter emphasizes the power of Jesus' blood in breaking sinful habits, redeeming believers, and granting them freedom. It explains that Jesus' sacrifice provides forgiveness, redemption, and the ability to overcome sin. Through faith, believers can activate these benefits by walking in the light, maintaining fellowship, and confessing struggles. Baptism is presented as a public declaration of trust in these truths. Vocabulary. Number 1, sinful, involving or related to wrongdoing or moral failure. She worked hard to leave behind her sinful habits and live a better life. Number 2, redemption, the act of being saved or freed from sin, guilt, or difficulty. He felt a sense of redemption after apologizing and making things right. Number 3, forgiveness, the act of letting go of resentment or the desire for punishment. She showed forgiveness by accepting her friend's apology after their argument. Number 4, fellowship, a close bond or friendship with others, often through shared values or beliefs. He found a strong sense of fellowship at his church, where he could share his faith. Baptism is number 5, a spiritual cleansing ritual that symbolizes faith and commitment to God. She chose baptism as a public declaration of her belief in Christ.